Hello friends, myself Dr. Niranjan Shah. Today I am going to explain about the journal entries in the books of old firms for amalgamation of partnership firm. The entries will be recorded as per the revaluation method. In last video, we have already discussed about the preparation of closing accounts in the books of old firm as well as in the books of new firm. Now we are going to discuss about the journal entries to be prepared to close the books of old firms. First of all, we are discuss about the for revaluation of assets and liabilities. If any asset or liability is taken over by new firm and that asset or liability is revalued, then the entry will be if the asset is revalued and there is increases in that particular asset, the entry will be passed as particular asset account debit to revaluation account. If there is a decreases in the value of asset, then the entry will be revaluation account debit to partners the particular asset account. If there is an increases in the value of liability, the entry will be revaluation account debit to particular liability account. It means, for example, suppose the creditors will be increases, then the entry will be revaluation account debit to sundry creditors account. If there is a decreases in the value of liability, then the particular liability account debit to revaluation account, that type of entry will be recorded. If the capital account, particularly if the current account of the partner's capital will be transferred to partner's capital account. If there is a transfer of capital as a carried down or brought down balance, the no entry will be passed in this case. But if the current capital account is given in balance sheet, then the entry will be A's current capital account debit, B's current capital account debit to partner's capital account. For closing reserves and profit and loss account, if in old firm there was a reserve or there was a profit or loss, then that profit or loss will be transferred to partner's capital account in their profit sharing ratio. And in this case, the entry will be passed combinedly as reserves account debit, profit and loss account debit to partner's capital account. We can pass a separate entry for reserve and for profit and loss account. In that case, the entry will be reserves account debit to partner's capital account and profit and loss account debit to partner's capital account. For closing revaluation account, after preparation of revaluation account, at the time of closing revaluation, the difference between debit side and credit side will be transferred to partner's capital account. If there is a profit, the entry will be revaluation account debit to partner's capital account, or if there is a loss, then the entry will be partner's capital account debit to revaluation account. Such a profit or loss on revaluation account will be shared in partner's capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. Please note that it will be distributed among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. For creation of goodwill, if there is no goodwill account in the old firm, it means that if in the balance sheet there is no goodwill account and in problem we have to create a goodwill account, then that time the entry will be goodwill account debit to partners capital account. In this case, the goodwill will be shared in their old profit sharing ratio directly to the partners capital account. After that, for closing of assets which are not taken over by the new firm, if there were any assets which are not taken over by the new firm, then that asset will be either for say either that asset is sold or taken over by the partners. If an asset is sold, the entry will be cash account or bank account debit to particular asset account. Or if that asset is not sold but it is taken over by a partner or a partners, then the entry will be partner capital account or partners capital account to a particular asset account. If one partner is taken over that asset, then that particular partner account is debit to that particular asset account. Or if both the partners or all the partners are taken over that asset, then the partners capital account debit to particular asset account. For closing of liabilities which are not taken over by the new firm, like assets, some liabilities are not taken over by the new firm, and in that case the liability will be paid off, either paid off or taken over by partner. If the liability is paid off, then the entry will be particular liability account debit to cash or bank account. Or if a liability is taken over by a partner or a partners, then the entry will be particular liability account debit to partners capital account. Finally, the closing of partners capital account. At the time of closing of partners capital account, the balance will be transferred to new partnership or amalgamated partnership firm account. In that case, the entry will be partners capital account debit to new firm account. Thank you. If you are new, please subscribe my channel which name is eGAN. Please like and share the view of channel